Hello, so today I will be unboxing two Barbie toys. First, we have Barbie helicopter, and then we have Barbie Big City Dreams car. So let's open this one up. So these are all the accessories that we get with this car. We have passes, popcorn, ice cream, mobile phones, camera, sunglasses, water bottles, handbag, headphones, speaker, and a music player. The top comes off and it transforms into a stage for Barbie and her friends to sing on. It's really a very chunky piece of car, unlike any other that I have. Okay, this is the first look. Let's take the top off. Look, it's all glittery. So this is how it transforms into a stage. Here are the accessories. Here is the interior of the car. There are no seats at the back, so there's plenty of space to keep all the accessories that we have got. And if you can see, the seats come off, and there is a reason for that. The car seats double up as seats for the audience. And I love this Barbie cutout. I'm going to keep that. So we now have our two Barbies over here who will be demonstrating the car for us. She goes up on the stage. And this Barbie will be our drummer. Now let's make them the audience. Now we will pack everything up. I like the speaker because it opens up and we can actually store all the smaller accessories inside of it. I'm really happy about this because normally I always end up losing all of my accessories. Okay, so that was a success. Most of the smaller things are in. So now let's transform the car back into its original form. The stage is no longer needed. So this was it for Barbie Big City Dreams car, and it's a 10 on 10 from me. Next we move on to Barbie Dream House Adventures helicopter. These are some really nice pictures from the show. This is one very impressive helicopter, and even though it's nice and chunky, it's not too big. Unlike the Barbie airplane, which was so huge and heavy to handle, but the helicopter is very lightweight and it's very easy for kids to handle. So here I have put in a Barbie. Actually I should have used my pilot doll, but since I couldn't find it, here is just another random doll. There's plenty of leg space for the dolls, and here is how the inside looks like. So there's nothing really much to say. Both of these toys are really amazing and a great addition to any Barbie fans collection. Hope you like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.